Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. So in today's video I'm at Yangtze Pity the farm. This is greenhouse. Most people have been asking me a few questions about how we've been farming in this greenhouse, and they've been asking about these ropes that they see, these plastics that they see on the ground. So I just want to quickly explain some few things that we have done here in the farm. So the plastic is actually used to mulch the fruits. So there's a difference between the plants that have been mulched with the plastic and the one that have been mulched with wood shaving, and then the one that we haven't mulched at all. So the growth very different. So the question basically was about where we bought the plastic, or where can you find the plastic. So this plastic we actually bought it from a hardware store near our place, and then you can also find it at any store that sell agricultural product. They do have this kind of plastic. You go there, you tell them that you're looking for plastic that you want to use to mulch your plants, and then these ropes here they're actually used to give a support structure to our plant as they grow taller, and then as they start to have some fruits, they start to lose direction as well. So you need to give them a direction by using these ropes. This is what we call trellising. So this trellising rope, or whatever you want to call it, or you want to call it trellising line, you can actually find it at any store that sell things that have to do with agricultural product. Even at hardware, some they do have this trellising line. So this is what we say when we say we're trellising. This is what we mean. So we are giving a support structure to our plant so that our fruits cannot touch the ground, because remember, every time your fruits touches the ground, it's a bad experience. Remember what we have been experiencing at Makwala Agri, where we're having some rotten fruits because they've been touching the ground. So remember that sometimes our ground it's hot and the fruits touches the ground. You can use a logic and see what's gonna happen. So this is what's going to happening right now at his greenhouse. We are having some problems. Looking under our plants, you'll see some unwanted creatures here that have been destroying our plants. So this is some our unwanted creatures that you can face when you are doing your green pepper production. So this is some of the things that you need to take care of. You gotta buy some product to actually spray your green peppers and deal with this kind of things. So this is what you don't need in your productions, because this means that you're gonna be losing money, because when you start to have something like this on your plant, it means that your plants are starting to sick. So you need to apply some spray and spray this plant. From me, Makwala Agri at Yangtze Pity the farmer, I'm out of here, guys. Tango.